Hi friends, this is Dr. N. Vimala Kumari. Today I am going to talk about the importance of questioning and answering in English communication, particularly on WH questions. The aim of communication is to create a better world by building bridges between people. English plays an important role in bringing the people under the same roof in the globalized world. A person who is unable to communicate in English is losing many opportunities. For good communication, we need to know how to frame an accurate question. So, we should have better understanding about questioning. Let us see what is the purpose of asking questions. We ask questions to initiate interaction, to get information, to obtain knowledge, to stimulate people to think, to motivate people, to break silence, to learn, to find out solutions, to test knowledge, to show relationships such as cause and effect, to interact with people, to build bridges among people and nations. There are two types of questions in English. They are open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. Now, let us discuss about open-ended questions. These open-ended questions are also known as WH questions. WH questions are also called informative questions because we are trying to get some specific information from another person. WH question is a term used to refer to questions starting with WH and H. WH questions are also called open-ended questions because there is a scope to get multiple answers. These questions are ideal for developing skills such as inferring, predicating, verifying and summarizing. Now let us see how to frame WH questions. There are four main parts in a question. The first part of a question is a questioning word such as who, where, when, what, why, whose, whom, which, how, and phrases like how many, how much, how long, how far, how old, how often, etc. The second part is an auxiliary verb or helping verb like be, do, or have. It can also be a modal auxiliary verb like can, will, or should, etc. The third part is the subject. Example I, you, we, etc. The fourth part is a main verb. Example eat, play, read, write, etc. WH question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Example when did you come? When is a question word, did is helping verb, you is subject and come is a main verb. Now we can write like this: WH question word plus helping verb plus subject plus the adjunct. To make a question about the object of a sentence, you need a helping verb to put after the WH question word. For example, I like cricket. What do you like? If the sentence already has a helping verb, then you can use it to make the question. Nikhil is reading a book. What is Nikhil doing? Here is another example. We can speak English. The main verb is speak and can is the helping verb. So the question is, what can we speak? We frame some questions without an auxiliary verb. When, what, who, which or whose is the subject or part of the subject, we do not use the auxiliary. We use the word order subject plus verb. For example, who owns this house? Who is the subject of the sentence and house is the object. So we use no auxiliary verb. Here we remember that the verb needs to change depending upon the subject and the tense of the verb of a sentence. Open questions that require more information in the answers usually go down Nation. Here are some WH questions, their meaning and sample sentences. What is used to identify things, ideas, information and the action. Example, what is your name? My name is Rachana. What do you think? I am thinking about my next project. What are you doing? I am cooking. What is your father? My father is a farmer. When is used for a time or date. Example, when do you go to college? I go to college at 10 a.m. When will you call me? I will call you tomorrow. When do you finish their work? I will finish their work by tomorrow. Now the question, what is why? Why is used for a reason. Why were you late? I have an urgent work at home. Why are you crying? I have a pain in my leg. Why do you call me? I want to talk with you. Next, where. Where is used for a place. For example, where were you born? I was born in Vijayawada. Where are you going? I am going to college. Where have you been to during holidays? I have been to Kashmir during holidays. Which is used for a choice. Which of them is your brother? Raju is my brother. Which is your pen? Red pen is my pen. Which part of India do you belong to? I belong to Andhra Pradesh. Whose is used for the same meaning of who, but it is always followed by a noun. Whose company is this car? This is Verma's company's car. This is Verma company's car. Whose industry is this? It is Rachna's industry. Whose advice do you want? I need Ram's advice. Whom is used to ask for which person, object. Whom do you like most? I like my parents most. Whom are you waiting for? I am waiting for Balu. Whom are you talking to? I am talking to Pramila. How is used to explain a way or a matter. How are you? I am fine. How do you do? How do you do? How do you go to college? I go to college on foot. How long? How long is used to explain length of duration. How long have you been waiting? Only for a minute or two. How long have they been married? Oh, for a very long time. How long have you known Anthony? I have known him for 2 years. How often? How often is used to ask for frequency. For example, how often do you watch films? I watch films once in a month. How often do you visit your parents? I visit my parents weekly once. How often she comes to your home? She seldom comes to my home. How much? How much is used for uncountable nouns. For example, how much is the sari? It costs 500 rupees. How much money do you have? I have 200 rupees. How much sugar you want? I want 2 kilograms of sugar. How many? How many is used to ask for quantity of countable nouns. How many students are there in the class? There are so many students in the class. How many mangoes are there in the basket? There are 10 mangoes in the basket. How many rooms are there in your house? How many rooms are there in your house? There are 6 rooms in my house. How many? How many is used to ask for quantity of countable nouns. How many students are there in the class? There are so many students in my class. How many mangoes are there in the basket? There are 10 mangoes in the basket. How many rooms are there in your house? There are 6 rooms in my house. How old? How old is used to ask for age. How old are you? I am 35 years old. How far? How far is used to ask for distance. How far is your house from here? It is about 2 kilometers from here. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.